severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock Island County, southwestern Whiteside County, northwestern Henry County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fisherman's Corner to Carbon Cliff to near Indian Bluff Golf Course, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Kelowna, Hampton, Carbon Cliff, Barstow, Fisherman's Corner, and Illinois Forest Preserve around 2:40 p.m. LeClaire, Rapid City, Cleveland, and Dayton around 2:45 p.m. Port Byron around 2:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Osborne, Osco, Shady Beach, Jocelyn, Green River, Morristown, Geneseo, and Hillsdale. Take cover now. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in